My niche is very competitive. Every niche is. There is no niche I've come across which isn't competitive. When it comes to Google Ads and Google PPC, yeah. So I'm exploring YouTube channel as a lead gen strategy. Okay, good, very good. In fact, so my question is, will Google know if someone searched balloons in Mumbai? Then can I build an audience set where I can ask YouTube to show my ads to people who search these keywords? Absolutely yes. Don't need to apologize at all, even if it's a basic question. We all need to start somewhere. Nobody is born in this world knowing everything, and I don't know everything either. So I also learn, and in fact, I learn quite a lot sometimes, and quite often when you ask me these questions. Because if I don't know, then I will go and learn it and investigate as to, yeah, this is a really great question. I ought to be knowing this reply. So I also learn with you guys. Also, balloons in Mumbai is a highly competitive space. Yeah, absolutely. So every business is competitive on Google Ads, no matter what you do, whether you're a plumber, travel agent, you have got a e-commerce store. There are millions of businesses out there vying for that click, chasing that customer, and that conversion. How do you stand out from the crowd? And how you want to be in the category of one. That is what you want to be. So that people are not hunting for pricing, they are coming to you for the service and the value they see in you and your business you offer to them. What you don't want is people come to you, they ask you for a quotation, then they'll go and compare it to somebody else. You need to be like, you need to offer something where they can't compare like for like. So make your offer, your product, service in a unique way where they cannot compare you to others, right? That's what I mean by that. So the way you do that is a couple of ways. You can either set up the YouTube video. So first of all, you need to create a video ad, right? If you want to go on YouTube, create the video ad. You need to have the hook, the body, the benefit features, social proof, and the call to action in there in about 2 minutes long. So don't make that video ad too long. Between 120 minutes to 180 minutes is more than enough. 2 to 3 minutes long, right? Make that video ad. Never run one video on its own. Make multiple videos, at least three. If you can, run five, because you don't know which message or which video is going to resonate with your audience, because we're going to target that audience. So let's say somebody who has searched for balloons in Mumbai. Google knows everything about us. They know more about us than me and you know about ourselves. What is our searching history? What is our surfing history? Do we like to buy expensive or luxury items? Are we looking for discounted products or services? And so on. Do we convert on the first visit, or we convert after five visits to a particular website? They know everything. They've got tens of thousands of millions of data points on us. And it's very scary as to how much they know about us. That's a different matter. I don't want to go into that, the privacy issue at all, but that's the bare facts. If you're going to be online, you will have to let go of your privacy. Um, but you need to, at the same time, protect yourself as well as to how much uh, some other third party knows of you or about you. But to use the internet, the browsers, and online surfing, Google will know, or any search engine will know about your searching and surfing history. So if I go to Google and search for balloons in Mumbai, and I'm looking at various ads or visiting various websites, then I go to YouTube and I'm in your target location, let's assume that, and I'm watching a golfing video or a cooking video or a cricket video, which has got nothing to do with balloons in Mumbai, all of a sudden your ad will can potentially come in front of me because I search for those keywords on Google. And that's how this works. So what you do is you create a custom segment audience. Take 10 to 15 keywords, group them together like we do in an ad group, make an audience, set it up as targeting in an ad group. And that's how you would go about targeting those people on YouTube and on GDN as well.